Hi, I'm Lottie from Burgess, Norwich, and the machine of the week this week is the John Deere Ex-Demo 7R350. This machine comes with auto power 50k and has currently done 246 hours and front linkage is included. It has triple link suspension plus with brakes and is on 650 60R 34 Michelin F tyres on the front, 710 75R 42 on the back. The machine includes a pickup hitch with hook and drawbar, 5 electronic SCVs, hydraulic trailer brakes and air brakes. It comes with cab suspension alongside active command steering and Command Pro joystick. This machine is currently listed on our website at £210,000 excluding VAT. Warranty can be upgraded at request and finance options are available. Please visit our website benburgess.co.uk for more information.